I remember 2017 when I made my first YouTube video ever. I remember when I went on a trip with my friends and I just opened my phone's camera and start recording myself. That time I felt so nervous. I felt so uncomfortable. I felt so weird. But I made it. I made that, and and that's not just my only video. I made so many videos about vlogging. I made so many videos about motivation, and after a year I made so many videos about comedy as well. As like I made comedy videos, and people were admiring me at that time, and even now. So I remember where people were admiring me, there also a lot of people, they were made laugh at me that why Rahul you are making this kind of like such a bullshit. But I never stop myself. I record myself at that time and I try to feel comfortable in front of the camera. And when you recording yourself, when you are making videos about yourself, about your life, and you are sharing with your friends, you are sharing on the internet, you know that time you feel that people start admiring you for sure. Your friends will admiring you for sure, and you are making videos and sharing on the internet. And that time when you go somewhere in a party, in a with your you are hanging out with your friend circle, at that time if a stranger come to you and say that Rahul, I am watching your videos and you are making fantastic videos, if that kind of thing would happen, this is surely like you will feel more proud on yourself. You will feel like a star. You will feel that yes, I am also something. And that feeling make us an extrovert. That feeling make us more comfortable to talk to someone. If someone if a person is extrovert, what is the reason behind that? Because that person is not comfortable to talk to someone, because people are not making him comfortable. I make videos in front of the camera because I feel that camera make me more comfortable. I'm more familiar and I feel more like I feel more happy. I feel more good whenever I made a video. So if you want to become an extrovert, so that time you have to feel good in front of the people. And YouTube made me extrovert because I making videos from couple of years and I sharing with my friends, and they always like usually they like lot of times they are making me more like they are admiring me. So that is the thing that made me extrovert. I feel more comfortable. And nowadays people like I was not regular at that time, but nowadays I start making videos on a regular basis, and nowadays people admiring me so much. A lot of comments I'm like a lot of comments I'm receiving. So people ask me like so many times people ask me that Rahul, how you seem so comfortable in front of the camera? And I just say it's all about practice, guys. If you want to accept yourself, if you want to love yourself, this is also a thing that gonna help you a lot. And you know confidence is required to talk to someone, talk to a stranger. And if you are not feeling worthy with yourself, how can you do this? And YouTube making videos, recording yourself, record your voice, talking in front of the mirror, all these things are going to help you a lot. Definitely it will help you a lot to be a confident person. When you are going to a personality development institute, there people are usually, they are always doing these kind of activities. So if you want to be an extrovert, if you want to record yourself, if you want to feel nervous, like, no, you are you don't want, but if you want to be comfortable in front of the camera, definitely you have to record your first video. So if you will do this, definitely you will achieve, you will feel more comfortable in front of the camera. And it's all about journey, it's all about practice. How much we are practicing every day, it depends. Like in these days, as you know that I'm practicing my English communication as well as, so English communication make me more comfortable when I practice every day. That's why I started making videos on in English. So that is the thing that YouTube helped me to be an extrovert. And guys, if you are kind of introvert person, and you want to be an extrovert, YouTube videos and sharing your videos on YouTube, sharing your videos on social media with your friends, definitely these are the things that gonna help you a lot. And I know that in the beginning you feel more uncomfortable, you feel more weird when someone come to you and say that, wow, yeah, your video is good. And even a lot of people are also there, they will come to you and say that, why you are making this such a shit. Okay, so it's totally depend on you what you want to do in your life. And this is my story, and I really proud on myself that I'm making these kind of videos. Even now I'm not making huge amount of money, I'm not making like, sometimes I feel unsuccessful, I feel that. But success is totally depend how you feel every day, what you're feeling every morning. This is the real success. And money is the last thing, money is the product output of these kind of things. If I'm making videos, definitely I will make huge amount of money. And thanks if you are watching till now. Hope this video helped you a lot, and I'll meet you in the next video. If you are watching till now, thank you so much, my friend. And just subscribe my channel, it will help me a lot to become a great YouTuber in this journey. And this video is all about YouTube journey and how YouTube helping me. Every Monday I'm talking about this. Thank you so much. I'll meet you in next video tomorrow actually. Thank you. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe.